Hey, hey, hey. Oh, welcome back, everybody. I think this is going to be a fun one. Got a bunch of Mega to open. And I think there's a little dessert in that Mega Latias EX box in the back with two Destined Rivals packs as well. So, we've got 10 of these. And we've got this bad boy. All right. Well, you know what? We're going to start with the box, because I kind of want to see what these promos look like. This is so exciting. Oh, it's thick. Oh, it's really thick. Like, oh, it's plastic. It's very plasticky. Interesting. Well, guys. Oh, that's cool. That is really cool. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. Awesome. Alrighty. We're going to put that up over there. We're going to save these two for the end, because we're opening some Mega today. All right. Guys, still cool code cards. Super cool code cards. Alrighty, guys. Let's do this. Pack number 1. Abra, switch, execute, beware, Celebi. I love sets that have Celebis in them. Crawdaunt, Mystery Garden, a Croagunk. Oh, we got something. Oh, no way. Got the Ivysaur. Ha ha ha. Sweet. And a regular holo Yveltal. Guys, first pack pull. That is a fantastic one. Beautiful. Alrighty. Well, got luck with us so far today. I don't know. I like the Megas. They got some really cool, bright, shiny, funky artwork, but I don't know. I'm pretty sure I said this in the last video. I'm still pretty old school. I like the old school Pokemon artwork. Alrighty, guys. Snom, Score Bunny, Tinkatuff, Nuzleaf, Strange Timepiece, Celebi, Volcanion, Magnezone, Pokemon Center Lady, and a regular Holo Steelix. That is a super cool card. I know there's a few Steelix fans out there. That is awesome. Alrighty, guys, we're saving these, and we are gonna open all of these. Let's give them a quick little sort here. See what I got. All right. Well, let's just start ripping. My friends over at the local card shop, real nice, had plenty of packs for me to buy so I could make some videos. I don't tell people that I make videos with the stuff I buy. Try to be honest. Reboot. Ivysaur. Ultra Ball. Jinx. Stonejourner. Lily's Determination. Celebi. Clauncher. Shuckle. Shuckle. Oh. And a Mega Gardevoir. Right? Oh, EX. Sorry, Mega Gardevoir EX. That's cool. We'll just put that in. Oh, no. Put that in the back there. And on to pack number 2. Or 4. Depending on how you want to swing it. Alrighty. Well, I haven't made that mistake in a while. Leafy. Oh, we got a Tinkatink. A Greavard. Sandshrew. Spearow. Crawdaunt. Mystery Garden. Solrock. Ooh, Clawitzer. Oh, a Clawitzer. Oh, that's hilarious. Awesome. And a Cinderace. Regular holo. Well, that's kind of funny. Oh, that's a super cool card. Let's leave that bad boy up and add it to the pile. All right. Well, this is going better than expected. So far. Uh-oh. Did you guys know that the first Megas came out in XY? An era that I completely missed. Apparently there were better things going on out in the real world at that time in my life. Always gotta hold on to the things you truly love, though, and eventually you'll come back to them. I did. I enjoy this. The Delibird. Spoink. Frostmoth. Kadabra. Garganical. Reverse Lily's Determination. Beware. And a Kyogre. Skunked. Nothing in that pack. Oh well. I don't know. The more I'm opening these, the more I'm starting to like them. I feel like I say that about every set. And, you know, you got to give things a chance. Maybe it'll grow on you. Yeah, that's what's happening here. That's exactly what's happening here. Got ourselves a Magneton to start out. Reboot. That's kind of cool. Ivysaur. Ultra Ball. Shiftry. Magnezone. Wally's Compassion. Oh, Mantine. Oh, baby. A Yveltal. You can barely see the holo on that one. Oh, and a Mega Lucario EX. Oh, well, pow. These things are so three-dimensional. Sorry, Dragonite. All right, we got 2 left of each. Just go down the line. Well, we've got a couple IR pulls, a couple EXs so far. You guys have been watching my other series, having a problem with those SIRs. They seem to be very elusive these days. Alrighty. Let's hope this pack can change that luck. Poor fish. Fearows. Litleo. Stunjourner. Lily's Determination. Celebi. Clauncher. Shuckle. And a regular hollow Xerneas. Cool. All right, the first Venusaur artwork pack. You guys ever thought about the pros and cons between the hangers and then the loose packs? Do you guys have a preference when you're buying? Would you buy loose packs from Marketplace? I don't know. Depends. I try not to. I try to buy all my stuff from the stores, but depends. Some of the stuff you can't get at the stores. Tink-a-tink. Greavard. Inteleon. Wally's Compassion. Pyroar. Ooh, a Helioptile. That's kind of cool. The flat reverse makes it just look so much more clean. Krogunk. Oh, and another Mega Lucario EX. Awesome. Doubling up. Doubling up. My background looks like it's really close. It's not. It's farther than an arm's reach away. These last few haven't been lucky. Another EX, but let's see if we can change that. An Electrike. Sobble. Toxicroak. Stuffle. Goldango. Shedinja. Fighting Gong. Tangrowth. Kind of reminds me of a certain type of popsicle. Rare Candy. And a Hariyama. All right. The last pack of this artwork of each. Let's see if this brings any luck. All right. A Tyrogue. Snover. We're going to be getting a bunch of that snow stuff soon. Baneri. Numel. Marshadow. The infamous Marshadow. Not this card, but controversial Pokemon, I would say. Chiyu. Boss's Order. Didn't know that was in this set. Ooh, reverse Holo Hariyama. Awesome. Pokemon Center Lady. And a Dialga. Awesome. Alrighty. 2 more packs. Do we get lucky? Or do we go home with a cool Ivysaur and a Clawitzer? Well, we already are home, but you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Jinxie Jinx. Onyx. Ice Cube. Lopunny. Magnezone. Wally's Compassion. Pyroar. Oh, reverse Boss's Order. Repel. And a Steelix. Another Steelix holo. All right, last pack. And then we're going to have some Scarlet and Violet Destined Rivals packs. Just for a little funsies at the end. All right. Well, wish me luck. Oh, another Jinx. Onyx. Ice Cube. Lopunny. Pyroar. Executor. That's super cool. Risky Ruins. Riolu. Oh no, it's not looking good. Dinkata. And a Yveltal. Oh no. Alright guys, a little bit extra today. 2 Destined Rivals. Going back in time. Alright. Alright, we all know what we're looking for in this. We want that Mewtwo. That's super, not my favorite, but kind of cool. Mewtwo. Ponyta. Marnie Scraggy. Team Rocket's Murkrow. Barraskewda. Team Rocket's Watchtower. Primeape. Team Rocket's Mareep. And an Ethan's Meg Cargo. All right. Last pack of the day. Well, or the video, depending on how you think of it. And a Bolt of Lightning. All right. Ooh. Catches the light perfectly. For Mantis. Squawkabilly. Cynthia's Roselia. Team Rocket's Nidoran. Team Rocket's Ariana. Manectric. Misty's Psyduck. That's such a cool card. So basic, but so well done. Oh, Cynthia's Roselia. Team Rocket's Wobbuffet. And a Team Rocket Sneasel. Skunked on that Destined Rivals. Guys, we got some cool stuff. We got a Ivysaur IR. We got a Klotzer IR. And then we got a couple Mega EXs. 3, actually. Mega Gardevoir and a couple Carios. Well, I had fun. And that's all that matters. Guys and girls and people, everybody watching, thank you so much. I'll see you guys again next week.